In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Instagram. So it doesn't matter what browser you choose. I'm just going to go to Chrome so we can open up a web browser, and we're going to type in Instagram and make sure you log into your account. So from this point, let me maximize this. What you want to do is go into your messages. So over here on the left hand side, you would just go find your messages. And I'm just going to scroll through and pick one. Here, we can do, I guess, this one here. So from this point, it's different from Instagram where you can't physically actually swipe left and delete the entire thread. What you have to do on your computer is go to the message, open the message thread up, and actually look to the top right corner here where you see certain options, and you just want to click the I. This is like your information. So from this point, once you click that, here I'll unclick it and click it once more. You can go down to the bottom here where it says report, block, and delete chat, and you can go ahead and click delete chat. And you're going to permanently delete the chat, so just keep that in mind. Go ahead and delete, and your messages are deleted. So it's that simple, that easy, and hope you guys found this very useful and helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next video.